This is a second video. What I said, if I don't put too much pressure, I can slide it. Why? Because the Teflon tips is not metal with metal friction, and if I tight it completely, and then the part is hold in place. So you're able to put a tool in here, and this part over here is a hollow about excuse me, this is about 14.5 millimeters with a screw, and it's got a bunch of threaded holes. You can remove this part and probably put a different tool for your lathe or for your mini mill like this. And if you lose the screw, just gentle little bit, you're able to make the trouble with no friction at all, because again it's resting in a Teflon. So this is made out of from Oriel. This is a Oriel. They make optics equipment, so but you know, the idea is very nice. So once again, measure your mini mill or lathe slide, and they have to be no more than 50 millimeters in order to you can use, because if I lose this one all the way out, see, I have a room for another 5 millimeters or even more, perhaps 650 to 51. So anyway, this is the party selling $17.99, and unfortunately, even if I remove this part, I can put it in a small flat rate box. So $17.99, $8.50 shipping, and you see it's pretty deep. It's pretty deep, about 55 millimeters in deep, the hollow. The outside diameter is about 28 millimeters, and I wanna end up